Hello, this is Moises. I am Photo Moisho on Instagram. I'm a landscape photographer and also an Olympus OMSYSTEM ambassador. Today, I'm here to talk to you about the high-resolution shot, but I would like to go deep in some of the tricks and techniques that you can use to extend the functionality of this awesome feature in real life. Let's start talking about it. What is high resolution? High resolution is simply a method, a feature of your camera that is using multiple shots, bars of shots, to combine them together and obtain a higher megapixel count. Tripod with 80 megapixels and handheld with 50 megapixels. Okay, so which are the benefits of using these high-resolution shots? The first one is obvious. You will get more megapixels, but there are 4 more benefits. You will get better sharpness, you will get better color accuracy, you will get less noise, and you will get almost 1.5 stops in the shadows of dynamic range. So, just because of this, even if you don't need the extra megapixels, you can have better quality in your images just using this. The amount of advantages that this mode is giving to you is something that it makes me use it. Then let's take a shot. How do we activate it? There are 2 ways. The first one is with the super control panel. You go to the shooting modes and you scroll till the end. You will find the icon there. You just activate it from there. And the second one, and it's much more convenient, specifically if you have an OM1, is to use the record button in photography modes. When you are in video mode, it starts recording, but if you are in photography mode, it automatically sets the high resolution shot. Then one trick, if you keep it pressed and you move the dial, any of them, you can choose between the 2 different modes. One is handheld and the other one is tripod. So this is a photo that I took in this lighthouse. This is the 80 megapixels and we are going to compare against the 20 megapixels. Then if you do a zoom in the lighthouse itself, you will see the big difference in megapixels. This is a 100% zoom. Then you will see clearly the big difference here. So there is another trick that I would like you to try. This is related to shooting stars, shooting Milky Way. So some of you probably use a tracker. And what if I tell you that you can use handheld high-resolution mode to fake a tracker? Let me tell you how. You set your camera in the tripod. Very important. Your camera have to be in the tripod. And the high-resolution mode have to be handheld. Because this way, when the Milky Way spins, the processor is going to align this automatically. So you are going to get a really high quality, high megapixels photo that will be a combination of 12 photos of that sky. Important, you need to shoot only the sky with a very small amount of foreground, because you need to give the processor enough information to align the photos. Another thing that it's important is you can increase a lot the ISO here. You can use even 6400 ISO, no problem, and shorten the time. So please try it. It's really impressive.